Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do a try on haul. I got clothes from a couple of stores, from Fashion Q, from Fashion Nova, from Forever 21, and from a little store that I live by that's really cheap. So I thought, hey, why not sit down and film a try on kind of haul, because there's a lot of clothing pieces, I guess. So if you guys want to see what pieces I got and how I would pair them together, then just feel free and keep on watching. Okay, so for the first piece, this is the first piece. I got these shorts at Fashion Q. This Fashion Q store, there is one in Fontana and one in Eastville, which is the closest to me, and I absolutely love this store. So this is what the shorts look like, and these I got in a size medium, I believe, either medium or size 3, and these retailed for $18.99. And then I kind of just paired it with this tube top that I got from Fashion Q too, I believe. It's just like a white little tank top, and I'll go ahead and show the back of it. And I believe this one retailed for $10.99, so just don't mind my little shorts under here. But yeah, so this is how I would pair it together. Obviously not the white shorts showing, but this is the first piece. Okay, so the second piece are these shorts again. I kind of just left the tank top because it still looks nice, and these are from Forever 21. And this is how the back of them look. Normally I don't like when my shorts kind of open up from the bottom here, but I thought they were really cute, and these were retailing for $19.90, but right now they are having a sale that is 50% off. I'm not sure if they're still having it, but these are from Forever 21. I like them because they have like the little detailing right here. Again, they fit me a little bit big, as you guys can see, but I thought, hey, why not? So again, I would kind of just pair this together, or with a black shirt, whatever the case may be, but this is this. Okay, so this is the next piece. These shorts again are from Fashion Q. These were again $18.99. These are a size medium. So I like the length. It's like a really good length. It's not too short, but they're not too long. I have Spanx under, so if you see something that's not my underwear line, it's my Spanx. But they fit really nice. So again, these are the shorts. Like I said, really nice. And then this is kind of again something that I would pair these shorts with. This shirt was from Fashion Q as well. This one is in the size small, I believe. I'm actually not too sure how much this retailed for. Let's go ahead and see. So this shirt was a little bit more on the pricey side. This one was $15.99. But my fiance said that he liked it, so I said if he likes it, then you know, he likes it. But again, obviously the back is open like this. Obviously I wouldn't wear it like this. So obviously I would wear it like with one of those little like the silicone bras, which is only up here. I think, I'm not sure if that's supposed to, yeah, that's supposed to go, this is supposed to go more up here, more on the chest area. But again, obviously I would wear it with, like I said, one of those silicone bras, just so my bra doesn't show in the back. But again, this is outfit number 2. Again, you don't have to pair them together. I'm just letting you guys know how I would personally pair them up. But yeah. Okay, so this is another shirt. I kept the shorts one just because, again, you can pair them together. It still matches really nicely. This shirt is from Forever 21 as well. This one is in a size small, and this one was retailing for $15.90. Again, they are having like a sale. They were having a sale, I should say. So this one, I want to say I retailed for like, I want to say like 10 bucks. But I'll go ahead and get closer so you guys can see like the little detailing. So it's like little flowers. It's pink with white stripes. It's really cute. Actually, my aunt picked this one out. I'll go ahead and show you guys the back. So this is what the back looks like. As you guys can tell, obviously it's strapless, and it has like this little kind of tight little seam right here to kind of accentuate your waist. Again, I would probably wear this either with these shorts and some little brown sandals, or even jeans. But yeah, this is shirt number 3. Yes. Okay, so this is another outfit. I'm not really sure if you guys can see the jeans. I'm going to go ahead and lower the camera just so you guys can see the jeans. So these are the jeans. These are a size 3, I believe, and these are from Fashion Nova. Just don't mind the box right there. my mom's organizing her scrapbooking room. But again, these are a size 3. This is what the back looks like. I really love darker jeans, and I love them more because they're high-waisted. I did have high-waisted jeans before, but not as high-waisted as these. And I love the little rips right here. Again, these retailed for $19.99. The top that I paired it with is from Forever 21. This one is a size medium, I believe. It does fit me like a little bit big. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, like, kind of just fits me a little bit big, but not too bad. And I believe this one retailed for $9. I'm not too sure. So again, this is the back of the shirt and the pants. So again, this is something that I would kind of pair together with some brown little heels or sandals, whatever the case may be. So I went ahead and I just kept the pants on, and I just added another shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and get closer. So this shirt is from Forever 21, and it just says Los Angeles Girl Club right here. This one was originally $14.90, and it was on sale for $9. So it was a really, really good pickup. It's just like, you know, a cute little throw on top when you kind of out the door. This is the back of it, just all one color. Again, I think it looks really, really nice with the jeans. Honestly, I would pair this with jeans and like my black Nikes, and I'll be out the door. So again, this is just like a nice little simple top, but you can either dress it up or dress it down. I would probably add like gold hoops, not gold, silver hoops, and we're all set. So again, this is another outfit. Okay, so I went ahead and I left the top on just to show you guys the next pair of jeans from Fashion Nova that I got. So these are kind of like the first ones, again, high-waisted. So I have been gaining a little bit of weight, so that's why I kind of go to more high-waisted, just to kind of pull everything together. So again, these are from Fashion Nova. Again, these were $19.99. So they're pretty much like the first one, high-waisted, just a lighter color, and they have rips in the front as well. Okay, and the next one is this dress. Honestly, I did not try this on when I got it. This is my first time. So obviously, as you guys can see, it kind of goes up a little bit higher right here. It is a bit short from the back, but it is a really nice dress. I would probably pair this. Honestly, I don't know what I would pair this with, because obviously I'm not going to walk out the house with this, because I wouldn't feel comfortable, first of all, and it's just too revealing. But it's a really, really nice dress. It kind of forms the body. But this one I had got from a little store that I live by that has really, really cheap clothes. I should have tried it on maybe. So again, I don't know what I would wear this with, but maybe if I dry it or when I wash it, it'll shrink a little bit so I can wear it as a shirt, because this is just too revealing for my taste. So this is the next dress. This one I got from Fashion Q, which is a little boutique that I live by. I absolutely love the color. I actually went with my fiance and I tried it on. Well, before I tried it on, I told him, I was like, how do you like it? And he goes, I don't like that color. He goes, you're too dark for that color. And once I tried it on, he's like, babe, you have to get that dress. And I was like, I told you. I absolutely love this dress. I love the detailing that it has right here, like the little buttons. And it does have like a little slit right here. Again, not too revealing. Really fits like a glove. It forms my body really, really good. Again, I have spandex under, but this is the back of it. So again, really, really nice. I did get this one in black as well, which is right here. I'm not gonna try it on just because it's pretty much the same thing, but just in black. This one I would pair with probably brown heels. But again, this one again retails for $23.99. This is the second to last piece that I got. This one is more of a two-piece, kind of like that biker set, but this one just is a little bit longer. It goes all the way down to the bottom. This one did retail for $27.99 for both pieces. Again, this one's like more of a nude color. This is what the back looks like. Really, really cute, but simple at the same time. You can obviously dress this up or you can dress it down. I'm not sure what I would pair this with, but maybe like in the winter, like a little jean jacket. In the summer, probably, I don't know, but this is it right here. So this one is the last piece, another 2-piece. This one is from Fashion Nova. This one says that it was $34.99, but honestly I don't feel like I would have bought it if it was $34.99. I like looking nice but on a budget. So again, this one's the second to last piece. I got it all just black and white just because it's really like an everyday kind of thing. You can wear it, either dress it up or dress it down, and black never goes wrong. This is what the back looks like, and I like this one just because it does come with like a little hood, so it's really, really cute. My hair probably gonna look crazy, but ooh, watch out. So it does come with a little hood. So, and I like this material better just because it's like that kind of soft material. But yeah, this is the last piece. So that pretty much is it for this try on haul. If you guys did enjoy that video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't already. And that was pretty much it. And if you guys want to see more of these, obviously I don't buy clothes often, but when I do, if you guys want to see more of these videos, feel free to let me know down in the comments down below, and I will be more than happy to go ahead and film those for you. And I will see you guys on the next one.